2016 Ford Escape. Dashboard lit up, said there's a brake lamp bulb fault. So I'm going to go push the brakes to see which lamp it is and try to get it fixed. I'm going to pop these clips off here. Oh, that one already came off because I just started working on it. Cake. Little clips. It's a little flat screwdriver. Let's see what size these are. I may have too big of the sockets out here, which I do. So I gotta go get my smaller socket kit.
A few moments later.
8 millimeter. Put an extension on here. 2 bolts. Bottom one. I had some extra bulbs in the garage from our old Escape, and I think they're the same size. 3157. Two. Now there's a clip up in here. That you're supposed to just be able to slide these off. They just come straight back, so let's try to do it. Which, as always, it's nothing to grab onto. No, this is all one piece. So I need to get this from underneath there. Okay. I was at got a door ding fixed, and the guy had a hard time getting these off when he fixed the door ding for me. It's a white clip right here that it snaps on. Ooh, got something there. Oh, I think I'm off. Why am I not moving? Well, we'll just keep trying. Yeah, there we go. Always something hard. Hopefully I didn't break it. It appears I did not. And there's a little clip up inside here too that it fastens to. Right here. That's exciting. I gotta unhook the bulb. There it is. That's the clip. And then there's this piece here. I need to show that because that was a little bit of work. It's the front clip, and then that second clip goes in here. And then these are the 2 screws. Yowza. 4 minutes of tape in there. So now I just have to check this bulb. Figure out which one it was. It's the top one. Should be able to look at it and see if it's burned or broke. doesn't look like it's broke. These are these old ones. We've been sitting in our garage since the old Ford Escape. They look the same. Snaps in the same. So what I'll do is I'll go test it. Start it up, test it. All right, I just got to put this thing back together. It only works. Things lined up. This is flanged out a little bit, but this one on that side is too. So it's probably just going to need to wear its way back into how it's supposed to be. Now this should snap in 2 spots. Yep, right here and right up there. Cake. Top screw, bottom screw, and we're done. 10 minutes. I'll fast forward some of this stuff. All right, 10-minute job. These are the bulbs that I had in the garage and in the truck. 3157. I think you can go to the auto parts store and the hardware store to get these. It's a common part. Maybe 10 bucks for 2 bulbs. And that's it. Take this to the shop, it probably cost you, I guess it's 60 bucks. These little clips are the last thing I need to put back in. With the sun going down, that's it. Socket size was 8mm. Little strength to push this off, little finesse, but it came off. So, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps. 2016 Ford Escape. $5 repair, 10 minutes of your time. 8mm socket and a small screwdriver.